Solve d square plus a squared y equal to tan ax by method of variation of parameter. We have to put d equal to m here to calculate complementary function. Many problem we solved, so we know how to find complementary function. Next, bring m square equal to, bring this term right hand side, minus a square. So m equal to plus or minus ai, plus or minus ai. Okay, here minus comes means we have to write plus or minus ai. Suppose plus means what to write? Plus or minus a, plus or minus a. So keep that in mind, plus or minus a. Next, this is a complex root, so it is in the form of alpha plus or minus I beta. Here what is alpha? 0. What is beta? A. So what about the complementary function? E power alpha x. So here what is alpha? 0. So 0x into a cos beta x. Here what is beta? A plus b sin beta x. So beta equal to a. So this is a complementary function. From that we have to take, this is a f1, this is a f2. Okay, so what is a f1 here? What is a f1? We should not take constant term. We should not take constant term. We have to take variable term. So f1 equal to cos ax. What is f2? Sin ax. Sin ax. Next we have to find w. Formula is f1, f2, f1 dash, f2 dash. Okay, we have to calculate. We know f1, f2. We don't know f1 dash, f2 dash. So we have to calculate f1 dash. What is f1 dash? F1 dash means one time differentiation with respect to x. So what is the differentiation of cos ax? What is the differentiation of cos x? Minus sin. So minus sin ax into a, into a. Here a is there. Suppose 2 given means 2, 3 means 3. Next, f2, f2 dash. What is the differentiation of sin? Cos. So cos ax into a. So apply this value here. So w equal to, determines f1. F1 is cos ax. F1 is cos ax. Cos ax. F2 is sin ax. Sin ax. F1 dash minus a sin ax. Bring this a front side. F2 dash a cos ax. So multiply these two, a cos square ax minus into, so already minus is there, so minus into minus plus, plus a sin square ax, sin square ax. Okay, here which term is common? A. Cos square ax plus sin square ax. We have the trigonometry formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So what is the value for this one? 1. 1. Since cos square ax plus sin square ax equal to 1. So w equal to a. We got w. Okay, next we have to calculate p and r. Okay, so formula to calculate p, minus integral r, f2 divided by w into dx. This is a formula to calculate p. Okay, already I have given the formula. Minus integral, what is r? R means right hand side. Here what is the value? Tan ax. Okay, r represents right side value. So tan ax. So tan ax. F2, what is the F2? Sin ax. Sin ax divided by what is W? A into dx. Next, we have the trigonometry formula. Tan ax can be written as sin ax divided by cos ax. Okay. Tan ax can be written as sin ax divided by cos ax. Apply the value here. 1 by a minus 1 by a, take it commonly outside because it is a constant. Instead of tan ax we can write sin ax divided by cos ax into sin ax dx. Okay. Next, equal to minus 1 by a integral sin ax into sin ax sin square ax divided by cos ax dx. We have the formula, listen carefully. In denominator cos ax is there, in numerator sin square ax is there. We have the formula. What is the sin square ax? Cos square ax plus sin square ax equal to 1. So what about sin square ax? Bring that right hand side. 1 minus cos square ax. 1 minus cos square ax. So minus 1 by a integral, instead of sin square ax we have to substitute 1 minus cos square ax divided by cos ax into dx. The formula is sin square ax can be written as 1 minus cos square ax. Write the formula here. Sin square ax can be written as 1 minus cos square ax. 1 minus cos square ax. Next, equal to 1 by a, split the term. 1 by cos ax minus cos square ax divided by cos ax into dx. We can do split the term. If you take LCM, we will get the same term. Okay. Cos square cos ax cancel. 1 by cos ax can be written as, again we have to use the trigonometry formula. What is the 1 by cos ax? 1 by cos ax equal to secant ax. This is a trigonometry formula. Like that, 1 by sin ax can be written as cosecant ax. These are all the trigonometry formula. If you don't know, just learn. Okay. Don't learn all the formulas, but you should know. We should learn which are the formula will help to solve the problem. Okay, be careful, listen carefully. So 1 by cos ax can be written as secant ax minus cos ax into dx. Next, bring integration inside the bracket. Minus 1 by a integral secant ax dx minus integral cos ax dx. Just to split the integral. Okay. Bring integral inside the bracket and dx inside the bracket. Next, all of you verify the formula. Minus 1 by a. What is integral secant ax dx? Formula is there. Just to see that. What is integral secant ax dx? 1 by a log secant ax plus tan ax plus tan ax. Okay. So this is the formula for integral secant ax minus what is integral cos ax? What is the integral cos ax? Sin ax divided by a. Sin ax divided by a. Next, minus 1 by a, here which is a common term? 1 by a. So take it commonly outside. So minus 1 by a square into log secant ax plus tan ax minus sin ax. So this is a p. This is a p. Next we have to calculate q. Right up to this.